Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Chicken, bacon, salad, sandwich. Absolutely delicious. Let's get moving. Okay, let's get moving. So I've got a chicken breast there, a nice big chicken breast, and I've cut it right down the middle, so 2 pieces have ended up on the board there. And I've got some bacon. I've got 4 rashers of bacon. I'm using an unsmoked backed bacon. You can use any type of bacon that you want, streaky, smoked, unsmoked, any cut you like. Let's get these cooked. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I've got a touch of sunflower oil I'm using. We're just going to drop our chicken breast in there. I'm going to go with some salt and some black pepper, and then I'm going to go for about 5 or 6 minutes. I'll be flipping it a few times. It's quite thin, so it's going to cook really quickly. Okay, there you go, beautiful. I actually put a bit of salt and pepper on the other side as well. Set that aside. Same pan. Let's go in with our bacon. Now it depends how you like your bacon. Some people like it really, really crispy. Up to you, get it how you want. For me it's going to be about 3 or 4 minutes aside and we'll be done. See you then. And look at that, fantastic bacon in the pan. What could be better? Okay, I'm happy there. Got a nice bit of browning on it. Some people will cook their life out of it. They like it really crispy. I'm happy with it just as it is. I'm going to fetch that out. Let's get over, back to the table, and we can get this together. Okay, so bacon's ready, chicken's ready. Then I've got here some lettuce, just wash that nicely. Tomato, cucumber, rocket, and onion. I've also got here, look, some toasted bread, lightly toasted. Now we're going to do a few things. One, I'm going to get some mayonnaise on there. I'm not using butter, I'm going to put mayonnaise on those, so I'll do that. Next thing I want to do is I want to get a little bit of balsamic vinegar and seasoning on to our rocket. Little tiny bit of salt. Same with black pepper. And then I've got some balsamic vinegar here. Just want to get a little bit on there. Not too much. That's enough. Just going to give that a little mix. Then we can move on. One more thing. I've got the chicken breast and I just cut it like that down the side, nice and thin. Beautiful. Okay, we're ready. So yeah, a bit of mayonnaise. I'm not using butter. Use butter if you want, but I fancied mayonnaise on these. I've done that on all 4 of them. Let's get some chicken on there. Now I'm going to go with cucumber. I mean, you can be doing this in any order that you want, of course. Now I'm going to go with our bacon. 2 rashers on each sandwich. Now I'm going to add our rocket, which I put the balsamic vinegar on, and the seasoning. Really love that on there. Makes a big difference, if you ask me. Then I'm going to go with some onion. Got some white raw onion. Red onion is quite strong. White onion's a little bit more subtle. Still got a nice onion flavour though. Tomato. Now if you want, you can season this a little bit more. And then some lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is okay if you fancy that. I'm going with this one here, or any other sort of leaves. Maybe even some sort of baby spinach would be good. That is looking absolutely wonderful. Tops on. And we're done. We've got a beautiful, beautiful chicken bacon sandwich there. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. I'm going to eat that right now. Lots of love. Bye.